most, I think the most interesting part in sustainability and also in behavior is more human behavior. So we
Mm.
got introduced to ChatGPT a couple of years ago, and now basically we get a chat and we ask everything to AI, even when it's not necessary
Yeah,
and not needed.
yeah.
And so I think there's also I think there's a responsibility at companies like us, but also the larger companies, that where we say, okay, how should you use AI and when should you
Mm.
use it? And we also give people insights in their footprint using Green.PT, so they can see how much
Perfect.
CO2 they used in their query, but also how much energy it used. And we give the user feedback, for example, to go to a new session. So